In this video we're going to discuss the contact edit forms. Contact edit forms are found under the tool menu under Form Builder. To create a contact edit form, you'd select the type contact edit, and we've got one created right here, so we'll just go into that form. Just like any other form, you'll want to select your field name. When you go to the HTML tab and you copy this HTML and you paste it into this hosted form box right here and submit that, you'll notice that the contact edit form allows you to customize the header and the footer, but it's looking for a contact number. So if you're wondering where to get that contact number from, the best thing to do is to go to a contact, and if you don't see the contact number field on the page layout, it is a field that can be added or removed from your page layout. So you may need to add it to your page layout by going in and adding contact number to your page layout. So if you do have it, then you can see what how these function by grabbing one of your contact numbers, going back to that form, and submitting that value. Then you can input your value. And that's basically how a contact edit form works. Now, there are some things that you can do to incorporate a contact edit form into an email template that involve getting into the code a little bit. If you're not afraid to do that, you can see that this URL right here is taking you to this page right here. And in this page, there's a couple of parameters. There's a form ID, there's a form value, and then the contact number, which is this right here, are getting passed into this page right here. So what we can do is we can incorporate this form action, and what we'll do is we'll just put it up here into the notes. So what we want to do is we want to submit to this form, and then we want to add these parameters right here. So to add additional parameters to that, you'd use a question mark. So the first parameter will have a question mark, and its FBID is the parameter name. The second parameter has an ampersand. So we'll grab that second parameter. And notice I'm doing some cutting and pasting, but then I'm putting those things together. So this is my form name, this is my form ID, and then the last parameter that I need to attach to this URL is going to be the contact number. And the contact number, the name of that field is PSNNUM, and then I have to have an equal sign. So what we're going to do is we're going to use those parameters to merge with a contact number from an email template so that we can bypass that contact number field. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this URL. I'm going to submit that. I'm basically just saving this here so that I can use it for later reference. Then I'm going to go into my email template section. In my email templates, I'm going to just grab any template. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an HTML email template. I'm going to go into the editor. So I just made a simple little HTML template. Now, the one thing that I need to do with that form is I need to merge the contact number. And you'll see that contact number is one of my possible merge values. So I'm going to use #EF_number in my link, and it's going to merge that contact number. So I'm going to put this in as a URL. I'm going to do it, I'll show you two ways. One way, we're just going to do it as text on the page. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it like #EF_, and you can see how that is merging in the contact number. Now the rest of this, if you want to rewind the video, you can see that that's the form ID, the form key, and then the person number. So then if you want to put this so that it's not displaying all that, you can actually put that behind a link You can put a click here or something on your page, and you just put that with the merge value. You can put merge values inside of your URLs. So we're going to have that on the page twice. Once as a clickable link and once just on the form. We're going to save and close that. And then again, we need to submit our form. Okay, so now we have an email template that we can use with the contact. So we're going to go into this contact, Keith Norris here. We're going to send an email. And the email template that we're going to send is our contact edit test form. And that's the template. That should look familiar. We're going to send that email. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my inbox, and you'll see, look, I've got this email right here, and it's going to say, here's my link to my form. Again, I've got 2 links. Notice how I can see the link here, and it merged that contact number in. So when I click that form, see it bypassed the place where it's asking for the contact number, and it lets me go directly to the form. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for a link right inside the email that they can click that takes them right to the place where they can edit that form. Now these forms can be used for all kinds of things. You can create customer marketing profiles. You can create those links as a way for somebody to update what kind of materials they want to receive from you. So you build custom fields, and you can select on-off values for certain marketing profiles, certain customer profiles, and they can update that information. So basically, if you're not afraid to get into this HTML code just a little bit, you can do some pretty neat things with these forms. And one thing that I like to do is I'll keep track of that form URL in case I lose it. You might not want to go through this too frequently, but once you have that there, you can save it, so you've just got a note on what that form would look like. Each different form that you build would have a different ID and a different key, so this is unique to this specific form. Thank you.